In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add extra images in your eBay listing description. This is a great way to enhance your listings and provide potential buyers with more visuals to aid in their purchasing decisions. Let's dive in and get started with this simple process. First, you'll need to upload your additional images to an external image hosting service. Some popular choices include Postimages, or you can use your own website's hosting service or a platform like Shopify. The key here is to make sure your images are hosted online where you can easily access them. Once your images are uploaded, you'll need to grab the direct URL for each image. Make sure that these URLs end in an image file extension such as .jpg or .png. This URL is what we'll be using to include the image in your eBay listing. Your next step is to log into your eBay account. Once you're logged in, navigate over to My eBay where you'll find the Selling section. From this point, decide if you're creating a new listing or editing an existing one. Either way, you're going to access the listing editor. Now scroll down until you see the description box. The images you're adding will be embedded in this section. In the upper right corner of the description box, you'll notice an option to show HTML code. Check this box to reveal the HTML code view of your description. This is where we're going to add an image or images. To add an image, you'll use an HTML image tag. It looks like this. You want to paste this snippet into the HTML code view of your description. Important tips include replacing https://yourimagelink.jpg with the actual direct URL of your image and ensuring there's no typing mistake in the URL. If you have more than one image to add, you can repeat this same process. Simply paste additional tags into your HTML code for each of your extra image URLs. This allows you to add as many images as you need in your listing description. Once you've inserted all your image links, it's time to uncheck the Show HTML Code box. Remember to do this step as it allows you to switch back to the regular preview of your description and verify that your images are displayed correctly. If everything looks good, your images will now be part of your eBay listing description, providing prospective buyers with even more visuals as they consider making a purchase. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can easily add extra images to your eBay listings. This little addition can make a huge difference in how your product is presented to potential buyers. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.